Kumplito na din ang grupo. Pwede na kong itra, Day. Pwede mo itra. Pwede. Kukulang, pwede na. Pagkita, pwede mo itra.
Mahulog ka.
Day, Nilin! Ibutan siya, Day. Second game. Na basketball. Number 3. Raise the ball. Okay. Pass the ball to number 5.
5.
Pass the ball to number 1.
1.
Pass the ball to number 10. Wait, open ako dun sa ball. Dalagan ko yung kulang ha. Pass the ball to number 6.
Number 6.
Pass the ball to number 2. Oh, wala kang pass the ball. Pass the ball to number 8. Pass the ball to number 5. Oh, nakatigulaan naman mo.